Good day mates, how is your day? Welcome back to Top Picks. When you hear about a slim laptop, what comes to your mind first? Lightweight? Not durable enough for a high mobility? Or the specs will be limited? Well, all of the assumption might be true for some slim laptops. But when you take a look at the best 15-inch slim laptop in the world, you will probably change your mind. We have reviewed a lot of laptops using benchmarks and hands-on testing and comparisons to determine which ones is worth your money. Here are our top picks for the best 15-inch slim laptops in the world. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. We are also very open for your suggestions, so don't forget to drop your suggestions and comments down below. Without further ado, let's begin. Best overall, Dell XPS 15. This laptop can do everything from your daily productivity, multimedia and even a bit of gaming. This Dell XPS 15 is sold from $999 and it also offers an attractive, slim design and boosted by a powerful power. This slim laptop is also complete with Core i7 processor and an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 Max-Q. You also get the speedy M.2 PCIe SSD and nearly 12 hours of battery life completed with a comfortable and lovely keyboard. Best value, Acer Aspire 15. Despite its $500 price tag, this Acer Aspire 15 is complete with a colorful display, a lot of ports and has a decent performance. This slim laptop even has a DVD drive. It also comes with the E15's Intel Core i3 processor that will boost your multitasking activity. In addition, after you're done writing emails, you will have that 15.6-inch display that covers an impressive 159% of the sRGB gamut. This slim laptop is also perfect for watching a movie thanks to its wide viewing angles. The battery of this laptop can last up to nearly 9 hours. Best Chromebook, Acer Chromebook 15. Despite having a $400 price tag, this supersized Acer Chromebook 15 comes with an attractive aluminum chassis, 15.6-inch touch display, comfortable keyboard and over 9 hours of battery life. This slim laptop also works well with Chrome OS that can be synced with apps in the Google Play Store. Best gaming laptop, Alienware 15R4. This slim laptop has awesome graphics performance and long battery life. It is also a perfect piece for gaming, virtual reality and multitasking machine. This Alienware 15R4 is also complete with 8th General Intel Core i7 processor and Nvidia GeForce GTX 1070 GPU. This piece also comes with a customizable backlit keyboard and a luminous, colorful display with more than 5 hours of battery life, an integrated eye tracker and Alienware's revamped control center. Half of these features and hardware mentioned above are covered in a new epic black chassis. Best business laptop, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme. This slim laptop comes with a speedy Core i7 processor and gorgeous 4K HDR display. This bussiness laptop is also packed with GTX 1050 Max-Q GPU that'll handle your productivity apps. Upon buying this laptop, you will also get the Lenovo's world-class keyboard, and all of the features and hardware on this piece will be covered on a military durable chassis that passed 12mm SDD810G standards. Best gaming under $1,000, Dell G7 15. This 15-inch laptop is a perfect gaming laptop that can also handle your daily productivity needs thanks to the TK graphics on it. It also delivers good sound in an eye-catching alpine white chassis. The system on this laptop is also a great choice for gamers who don't want to tire their arm and leg to play their favorite games. Best photo, Video editing, Apple MacBook Pro 15. This new Apple laptop probably has the fastest speeds amongst any other laptop. It also comes with an Intel Core i9-8950AHK CPU, 32GB of RAM and an AMD Radeon Pro 560X GPU with 4GB of memory. You can also enjoy the Retina display with Apple's True Tone technology upon editing photos or watching movies on this slim laptop. Best 2-inch-1, HP Spectre X360 15-inch. This HP Spectre X360 15-inch is known for its luxurious design and houses a powerful energy. This slim laptop also comes with a gloriously vivid touch display, an Intel Core i7 CPU that works well with Intel's Kaby Lake G technology and paired with an AMD Radeon RX Vega-M GPU on this laptop. All of the features and hardware mentioned above are covered on an aluminum case. It also has discrete graphics. The X360 targets creative professionals, so that the consumers can transform this beast from a traditional laptop to a tablet to a tent mode with ease. Sadly, the battery on this laptop can only last for 5 hours and 20 minutes. Best innovation, Asus ZenBook Pro 15. This slim Asus laptop works really well, especially for young professionals that move a lot and has a high mobility. This slim laptop is also packed with 4K display, an Intel Core i9 processor, an Nvidia GTX 1050Ti GPU and a smoking fast SSD. You also get the screen pad upon buying this laptop. Sadly, the battery on this laptop can only last for 4 hours when the screen pad is enabled. Best gaming thin and light, MSI GS65 Stealth Thin. This thin and light gaming laptop which is perfect for gamers with high mobility. This MSI GS65 Stealth Thin is also packed with the Nvidia GTX 1070 Max-Q GPU. This laptop can also deliver high frame rates at the highest settings, especially when it is paired with a 15.6-inch display with a 144Hz refresh rate. This gaming laptop is a beast. Best workstation, HP's Book Studio X360 G5. All of the features and hardware on this HP's Book Studio X360 G5 is covered on military durable aluminum case. This slim laptop from HP is also packed with Intel Xeon processor and Nvidia Quadro graphics. This 0.8 inches slim also has a vibrant 4K display, a punchy keyboard and a responsive stylus with customizable buttons. The battery on this laptop can last for 9 hours when it is continuously used. Alright guys, those are the best 15-inch slim laptop in the world. That's it for today and see ya on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.